What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today John's gonna be installing a carbon fiber trunk on his SRT4. Let him know something, bro.
Huh?
Let him know something.
So I finally got the PVO trunk that I've always wanted for this car. I was thinking of getting the hood and then the trunk, but I got the trunk first just because, I don't know, something different. Everybody always gets the hood first.
Yeah, so here they are trying to put these bolts in so they could put the light on, but running into some trouble.
This shit's weird because, watch me see. So this already comes like a square. How's he hitting the carbon? And then this one, they're like circled. So I don't know if I was supposed to get like different hardware, but we're just doing the Mickey Mouse way and trying to do it the best way we can. Cause wait, where's the other one? See, this is like, you could kind of see the form of it. How my crusty ass fingers, my mechanic fingers. See, it's like squared, and I don't know the way they cut it. This is a Modern Performance trunk, by the way.
We're showing the Z. So I think last time we posted this Z, it had like camber and shit, and it was hella like low. But like a few weeks ago, I took the camber off and I raised it a little bit because it wasn't like, it's my only car, it's my daily, so I couldn't be driving around like that, you know, with like hella camber and fucking with it being hella slammed. And so I took the camber off, like I said, and then I raised it like, I don't know, like maybe an inch. And so yeah, as of now, I'm gonna just keep it like that, maybe until next year, like January, February, maybe I'll put it back to how I had it. And I do plan on wrapping this car another color again next year. I have one color in mind, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. I'll probably, you know, like, it's gonna be a surprise. So yeah, I haven't done much to it anymore. You guys know, like, the steering wheel, which I showed you guys in the previous video on the Z, the shift boot. I got the duckbill back there. Oh shit, my Starbucks coffee and shit. And yeah, as of the SRT4, my boy just put base on it. Got the fat ass kicker right here, and then he has the app right there. We did that shit like last week. It sounds pretty cool, to be honest. Hella loud and shit, but yeah, besides that, we haven't done much to the cars because, you know, it's been, I don't know, you know, I don't know what to do on the cars, you know. But anyways, yeah, that's the goal for today, to get the carbon fiber trunk installed. As soon as we get those bolts on, we will update you guys. Right, so they got the light on now, so we're now gonna install it.
Should we show them how we got the light on? Like the Mickey Mouse way?
You want, bro?
Or keep it a secret?
I can't even show it right now, bro.
Nah, look.
Tell him. Tell him.
Little zip tie. Fuck it. Here goes nothing. Help me out, Brian. Put that in, Brian. Fuck. Dude, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
It's carbon. How's it looking? How's it looking?
Jeez.
Yeah, tell them now that we're just adjusting it.
So we got it on. Now we're just adjusting it so like this could be a little bit more flush.
This is what I read on the forums, that putting these type of trunks sucks. What?
Yeah, it looks pretty
Clamp it down.
cool if you guys.
Well, hey, actually, give me that 10 swivel.
But yeah, we're just trying
Where
to
is it?
adjust it so this could be flush like more like
It's
inwards
in there.
like that, and it won't be sticking out. But yeah, what do you guys think? Looks pretty cool, huh? Get up.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments.
Yeah. Tell him, G.
All right, we finally got everything buttoned up, and so for this we had to take these off because they were like compressed way too much, and then when we try to like close it, it wouldn't align right. So now it aligns perfectly. Well,
Jeez,
not really
keep the
perfectly,
carbon. It's like as best as we could get it.
that's as best as we can get it.
Tell him the
By this I mean,
yeah.
because
Man, it's pretty.
with those springs, it'll like shoot it back up, and it'll be like this shit will be up here. It'll be looking hella wild. But yeah, the only downside about this is that now, like whenever you want to open your trunk, you just have to use this, the fob, and then go like this, and then you open up.
And then it won't stay up either. So.
And then it doesn't stay up either.
But I mean, besides that, doesn't it? It's no
Well,
big
fuck
deal,
it.
you know.
This is what you do to make your car look clean. It's the only way.
So
I mean, unless there's another way, maybe we can, I don't know,
find a
look
way
at
to.
somebody else's video or something. But yeah.
But anyways, so that's probably gonna be the end of the video today. Just a little carbon trunk install.
Don't look at this. Like blur it out. Or something.
Tell them, bro.
That shit's embarrassing. But
Do an outro or some shit.
An outro? No, well, I don't know. I don't know what other mods there's gonna be for this car. If you want it, if you're thinking of buying the SRT4,
Think twice or what?
yeah, I mean, shoot me an offer.
Yeah, he's
Check that
he's,
piece out.
he's
Yes.
planning on selling this. I don't know why, but everyone's telling he should keep it. But I don't know. For some reason, he wants to sell it. But yeah, that'll be the end of.
If I don't sell it, then a carbon hood is coming next.
Do you guys think he should wrap this car or no? Tell us in the comment section.
Comment if I should wrap it or get a carbon hood before.
Pete, look at this before you guys answer.
Yeah, fuck this shit.
But anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for
Is it
more
clean,
videos.
though? Let me know. Get the side, get the PVO. Get the PVO style.